Closing in, of course, the station keeping coming up, closing in at a very slow 1.7 miles per hour.
Range 300. Range rate 0.76. Copy.
Изображение четкое.
Have good, clear, crisp image.
The Progress and Space Station flying 235 statute miles above northwestern Africa, just about to swing across Algeria and the Mediterranean, heading across central Italy and then central Europe.
We're watching the boats fire. The range is 280 meters.
Beautiful view of Progress 43 on a final approach to the station, with Progress 42 docked to the complex in the foreground. Progress 42 arrived at the station back on April 29th after a launch on April 27th.
30 meters. Range 0.3 meters per second range rate. Good quality video. Copy. Range is 25 meters based on the squares. Copy. And the target is not visible because it's too dark to see it.
International Space Station and 43 Progress vehicle approaching the city of Astana in Kazakhstan from the west.
Copy. And we just received the indication that antenna was retracted. Going to VHF, Moscow on VHF 1. How do you read? Have you loud and clear? How is? We have you 5x5. Okay, please continue with your continuous reporting. Okay, we see IR. Base, target not visible. Range 15 meters. Target not visible. Video quality worse.
50 feet from docking.
Again, the target's not visible, but the approach process is pretty stable. Copy. We lost video. Could you please keep commenting? Copy. Yeah, we see the image, but it's not stable. Okay, and we just saw the image go away also. We lost the image, Moscow. The laptop is missing range data. The range rate, though, is 0.1. The video image is partially restored. Range rate is 0.1. The picture goes in and out. Approach seems to be continuing stably. Copy. On the laptop, the range rate is 0.1.
0.2 of a mile per hour closing rate.
No image. Copy. And we have the video back. Copy. 3 or 5 meters range.
About 15 feet from the docking port, standing by for contact and capture.
Copy. 0.11 now. The image is back. The target not visible. But we see the vehicle back on the image. The approach is good. Crosshairs are aligned, and contact. Contact and capture confirmed. Indicator mode. Copy. And congratulations on the auto docking. Depot K1.
37 minutes after 11 Central Time, 12:37 p.m. Eastern Time over Eastern Kazakhstan. 43 Progress vehicle has arrived at the International Space Station, delivering about 2,500 kilograms of cargo supplies to the International Space Station.